I've played the original about probably 4 times plus another time on my VR set that I haven't finished yet. Is that something? Ooh, I like these graphics. This is crazy. Let's see what's taking so long. Do I have a gun? No, I can't pull it out. Okay. No pause on that, by the way. No pause. Let's just Alright.
How far can you go?
These graphics are really good. Especially for the... What?
I am disgusted.
Especially for the old one. Get down. What the heck? This is giving me some Resident Evil 7 Biohazard vibes. Alright. Just making sure there's nothing over here. Why is it so close? I don't like it this close to. If you're gonna be this close, might as well just go first person. That's my opinion. Dang, no flashlight. I can barely see this.
Anyone home?
Hello? Ugh. That's not creepy. What does it say? Judgment is nigh. Okay. Is that a door? No. I don't have a key for it though. Alright. Let's go then, Leon. Oh, cutscene. What? Let's plug her in then. Okay. Alright. Oh, hello there. He's speaking gibberish. Let me turn this up for y'all.
Sorry to barge in like this.
Hopefully you can see those subtitles.
You know a key?
There we go. Gross. Oh, he does know. Whoever this is. I pay attention to their names. Oh, watch out, Leon! Oh,
Happy feet! One more combo! That ain't
How did he... First of all, how did he pull out the knife that fast? And then he just wombo combos this dude into the wall. And his neck is broke. Dang. Leon, go crazy. Alright. Come on.
This is done. I couldn't.
Really? Ooh, look at that. We don't get to dive out the window?
Hey.
That's your buddy. Nope.
Wow!
Dead. Oh, he got his throat slit.
I read you. What's your situation?
Dead. Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Dead. His situation is dead. Keep that gun out, Leon. Why is it teaching me how to shoot?
What was that?
Oh, somebody's awake. Oh, okay, sir, sir. Why am I shanking him? Run, Leon! Alright, I did not expect him to move that fast for a dude with a broken neck. Look at him, he is sprinting! Alright. Bro, get back! I'm sucking at this! How did he take 7 shots? 2 of them probably missed. How did he take that many shots? Alright, you know what? Let's just go. Quit complaining. Let's go. Somebody woke up. He didn't like that treatment Leon gave him. Ah, crap. Okay, buddy, come on. Come down. I really want to shoot him so bad. I want to hit the get high kill count, but it's not really needed. Good job, Leon. Don't mind if you can hear the TV upstairs. They're watching Elmo or something. Oh. Is that Ashley?
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The president's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's
Baby Eagle.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Yeah. No.
Now I'm gonna add that sound effect. Why did I say that? I should have just added this. Oh. How does he just... I'll let myself out. Falling swan dives out the window. No harm done. Throw it. You won't. Do a flip.
Oh my god.
Can I reload? No? Alright. Reload is still O, right? On PlayStation?
That is not correct.
Hold on, what's that dot in the background? Oh, that's the light? We don't need the light. Come on. There you go, I took care of that dot. I know some of my people was telling me that they didn't really like all the background stuff on my TV, so... Oh! I took the liberty of fixing that. Mostly. Oh, thank God. How do you reload? Oh, alright. They changed it from O, I guess. Because it was O. At least in the original for me. Ooh, typewriter. Oh, I can't save. Gunpowder. Ooh, nice. No, we don't have an ink cartridge. Oh, I should have shot that bird. No! No! No, I wanted to save the dog. No! Now who's gonna help me in the battle with the friggin' troll? Or whatever that thing is. That's not fair. I wanted to save him. I don't like this game no more. What? Alright. Why am I hearing talking right in my ear? Where am I? Nice. For the shop dude. The what are you buying, dude? The merchant. Is he run? Oh, he is running at me. Woo! Too bad you missed. Oh, there's like 2 of them. Come on, buddy. Come on, ready? Boom, smacked. Boom. Back up. Ah! Ooh! Ow! How is Leon on just tanking this. Let me just... I'm sorry, but what was that noise? Man does not have a head. It's just a... Uh-oh, how unfortunate. Is he getting up? Alright, now. Oh, jeez. Up. Do I have first aid spray? Oh, thank God. I need my laser sight. I need my laser sight. Alright, let's go. On the road again. Alright, you're not funny, kid. Kid, you're older than me. Why am I saying kid for? Smacked, crackled, and popped. I like them apples. I got a fart. Ooh, flash grenade. I bet I could stick that in the dude's mouth or something. When like when they grab me, but you could stick it in their mouth, like in Resident Evil 2. I don't remember if you could do that in the original, because I played that when I was like 4. Kept dying, but I don't remember if you could do that in the original one, stick a flash grenade, but I know in the remake you can stick a flash grenade in their mouth when they like grab you, where you don't die. What is this? Oh yeah, dead boy. Oh, he's still alive? Jesus. Grandma! Grandma! Hey, come here. Granny. You know why they're doing this? Don't talk to me like that. Alright, I gotta go. Gotta blast. Gunpowder. Where's the shotgun? Which one's the shotgun building again? I forgot. Whoa, chicken. Okay. Ah! You know what? You're good. I ain't gonna shoot. That one, that right there. That's the shotgun building. Go in there. How did that hit me? I shot him before he even threw it. That's it, homeboy. Schmack. Get back! Nope, there you go. Watch your fingers. Crap, it hurt. Ooh, chainsaw! I don't think he's kidding you. Leon, just go upstairs and get the frickin' frick. I always got that first. I don't even know why. Jesus Christ! Bomb, get it. There's someone to my left. Yep. Hola! I said hola! Ah, crap. Put it down, put it. Where is he? Ah! Pick it up! Jump! Excuse me, people. Excuse me. Sorry. Go here. This is crazy. Oh, come on, man. Oh, what did you smack me for? Hold on, let me get... Alright. Yes, I know how you play the game. Jesus. Maybe I don't. Dude. Go ahead and use that. And run! Jesus, I do not remember the sequence lasting this long. Excuse me, sir. I need you to back up! For Christ's sake. I don't have the ammo. I have no ammo. Go. Climb! Climb! Woo! Ah! Knock it down, knock it down. Knock it down like a clown. Oh, shit. I gotta kill that dude. Oh my god. Suck. Knock it down, knock it down. Knock it down like a clown. Shmeek. Why am I collecting all these, whatever this crap is called? Excuse me. No. Move. Bye. Sorry, sir. Good evening. I love this man. Christ almighty. Come on, Christmas bell, ring already. Thank you. Oh, thank God. Bye. Oh. What did you just say? Opinion. It was fun. Money acquired. Oh, okay. So there is no merchant. Not yet, at least. You are welcome. Yeah. That was pretty fun. I'm going to go play, Red Dead Redemption 2 now. Hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, I don't care. Bye.